I've included the link to the Canva translation tool in the pinned comment below, so make sure to check that out. Once you open the link, click on the button that says Upload your file. Now select the PDF file you want to translate from your device. After uploading, Canva will ask you to sign in. Just log in. Canva is free to use and you can sign up if you don't already have an account. Once you're signed in, your PDF will automatically open inside Canva. It should look something like this. Now on the left side, click on the Translate to tab. Here, select the language you want to translate your PDF into. Let's say we want to translate it into French as an example. You can also choose the tone of voice if you like, professional, friendly, etc. Now make sure to select all pages of your PDF. Then click on the Translate button. Canva will now generate new pages with the translated content. If you want to save the translated PDF to your device, first, delete any pages you don't want to keep. Then click on the Share button at the top. Choose Download, set the file type to PDF, and hit the Download button. And just like that, your translated PDF is saved to your device.